He gets 93 days in jail, but then boom, 93 days credit. That means he's already served the time. It's like being sentenced and released at the same moment. Justice system speed running right in front of us.
Proper service for that. But I
Oh,
will
I
grant
have
a
a
judgment. Pardon?
sheriff completed service. I just don't know that it's made it into the court file.
Yeah, it was mailing and attachment, no personal service.
All right, then.
All right. So
I
I'll
guess
grant
we
a
just-
judgment for possession only. Redemption amount in the amount requested with a writ issue in 10 days.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Have
Bye-bye.
a great weekend and a happy Thanksgiving.
You too, sir.
And I have Six Trails versus Cayenne Nash.
Good morning, Judge.
Oh, he is here. I see him.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay. There he is. All right. And Mr. Katz, what is your client's claim in this case? Oh, you're muted, sir.
Sorry about that. $4,127. Yeah.
Say that again for me.
$4,127.
You broke up with that first number.
Oh, Your Honor, I was having a hard time getting my muted. $4,120.
I get 4,127. All right. Thank you. And Ms. Nash, how are you? Good morning. And how are you intending on paying this?
Good morning. How are you, Judge Simpson?
I'm okay, I think.
So I am going to pay it, but I do want to be evicted. I'm just asking for about 7 to 10 days left in the apartment. Most of the apartment's cleared out. I am 33 weeks pregnant and I have gravida emesis. So it makes me like really sick.
Yeah.
So I just want to leave it all behind. And it's like 78% done. And I just want to vacuum and clean up the walls before I leave. So I'm just asking for about 7 to 10 days.
Okay. So you're going to vacate.
Your Honor, I'm assuming we're adjourning for 2 weeks.
Yeah, I'm going to adjourn it out for 2 weeks, ma'am. And so that you understand, they're only asking for possession of the premises. So if you're out turning the keys, they're going to dismiss this case.
Yep, that's the whole plan. I just wanted that little buffer right there just because I have been so sick during this pregnancy.
All right. So what I will do is I'll adjourn this out to December 5th, 2025 at 3 p.m. That's an in-person proceeding, but if you're out, have turned in the keys, you're not going to have to try to get yourself down here, okay? You got more important job to do, all right? Than be down here.
I have 8 weeks left, and I'm so ready for it.
Yeah, all right. Well, you're still smiling, so that's a good thing, right?
Yeah, it's a boy. They say girls take away your youth and everything, so I'm glad I got a little bit of energy.
I am not going to say that out loud. I'm going to let you go with that, all right? So, is it your first one?
No, so I don't know if you remember me during COVID, but I had custody of my brother and my daughter.
Okay.
And my daughter, she'll be 13 years old when I have this one. So it's going to be a huge age gap.
God.
Yeah.
13. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, if I don't see you, which I don't expect to because you're going to be out of the apartment and everything, I wish you all of the best in terms of the birth of your child.
Thank you.
And I wish that you have a very happy Thanksgiving and a happy holiday season. All right.
Thank you so much. Okay. I hope you do too.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
All right. And was
Thank
that
you, Your Honor. My other 3 were dismissed, Your Honor.
Yes, they are. Six Trails versus Jansen. Is anybody here? Six Trails versus McCullough and Six Trails versus Stewart. All of those matters are dismissed on plaintiff's motion without prejudice. All right. Thank you. Everyone take care. That's it.
Thank you.
All right. We will be back at 10 o'clock to continue on. Court stands in recess. See, I am so happy.
Most people don't realize this, but every courtroom conversation is transcribed forever. It becomes permanent history. Even a joke or small comment could resurface years later in a legal appeal or review.
Good morning. The docket will begin momentarily with the playing of the Advice of Rights and Information video. Please take a moment to label yourself in Zoom with your first and last name so we can get you checked in. If you do not know how to do that, but you can work the chat, you can put your name there and we will label you accordingly. Please remain muted and wait for your case to be called. When your case is called, please turn on your camera, unmute, and state your name. Thank you.
Welcome to the 14A District Court. I'm the Honorable Judge Simpson, and I'm about to provide to you valuable information regarding this current and other landlord-tenant documents. This is the landlord-tenant or summary proceedings document, and you are here for a retrial. Your landlord has made allegations or claims that you should be evicted because you have not paid your rent or because they seek termination of your tenancy for a lease violation. After today, you will come back for an additional hearing or trial of the case unless you and your landlord reach some agreement. In these proceedings, you have the right to have your case heard in proper venue. 14A District Court is located in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. 14A District Court also holds jurisdiction over the following cities, villages, townships. In essence, anything in Washington County outside the city of Ann Arbor and Columbia Township is covered in this law. You also have the right to demand it. If you want a trial by jury, you must demand it orally in first appearance or in writing 5 days after first being advised of these rights and information. Jury fee must be paid when the demand is made or within 5 days after first being advised of these rights and information. Right to rental and other housing assistance. Within 5 days of first receiving these advice, rights, and information, you must provide written proof to the court that an application for assistance has been submitted for process. Housing assistance and rental assistance may be obtained through the Department of Health and Human Services, commonly known as DHHS. They can be reached at their phone number of 1-877-696-6775 or through mibridges.mich.gov. Assistance may also be obtained by contacting Housing Access for Washington County, commonly known as HAWK. HAWK can be reached at their phone number, area code 734.
Watch the defendant's body language. Silence isn't weakness here, it's smart. Talking too much in court can be dangerous. The less you say, the fewer words can be used against you.
973-4540. Also, you may obtain housing assistance and other resources through coordinated entry resources. Their phone number is 734-56748. You do not need a judgment to obtain assistance from any of these agencies. The summons and complaint are sufficient. You have a right to reach an agreement outside of the Michigan and local community dispute resolution programs are a possible resource. The Washington County Dispute Resolution Center can be reached at their phone number of area code 734-794-2125. To protect your credit and future rental possibilities, your case may be resolved by way of conditional dismissal in lieu of judgment, if that is approved by all of the parties. It is important that you understand these rights. If you have any questions, please feel free to address the court during your hearing.